Hello my dear student, welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Myself Hina Patel, going to teach you 5th standard mathematics. Already in the previous class we had learned about the fractions. Today we will see some more word problem regarding the fraction. Multiplication of a fractions, division of a fractions with a word problem. One by one we will go. We will try to solve that. What are the steps required to simplify the given example. Here we are having one fraction is a 2 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 7 multiplied by 4 upon 5. So here we are having a 3 fractions. Already we had learned when multiplication of a 2 fraction, but we are having here 3 fractions. How to multiply these 3 fraction? I will give a simple easy trick how to do it. If it is possible, already we had learned, if it is possible we will try to reduce. If it is not possible to reduce, we have to write a multiplication directly and we have to write the answer. If we are having a mixed fraction, we have to make it into an improper fractions and then we have to multiply. First word itself says simplify. Simplification is nothing but to how to make it into very simple form. Here we will see, try to solve the first example. 2 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 7 multiplied by 4 upon 5. We have to see, can we reduce any of fraction? We will see with the 3, we are unable to reduce, we can't reduce with the 3, 7 also it is not possible, even the 5 is not possible. So what we have to do? Yes, we will write directly 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 4 as 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 4. What? All the numbers of the fractions which are in the numerator we are taking as a numerator, we are just collecting and we are writing. All the numbers which are in the denominator just we will collect and we will write is 3 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 5. Nothing I had done. If it is not possible to reduce, so I am trying to just do it multiplication and we will try to solve here. Here what will be here? 2 1s is 2, you know very well. 2 4s are, it's 8. Here it's a very large number. If you want to do directly you can do, or you can do the multiplication. I can go for 7 5s are 35, 7 5s are 35 multiplied by 3, or you can go 5 3s are 15 multiplied by 7. Both the when it is a multiplication the product remain the same. So I had done 7 5s are 35 multiplied by 3. I will go for one more step is 8 upon, you know multiplication I had told very easy method. 5 3s are 15, 1 carry, 3 3s are 9 and 1 is 10. If you go for 5 3s are 15, 15 7s are is also 105. So why I had given with this multiplication? Because when you find such a number, large number, you don't know the table, you should know how we can multiply and we can write. I hope so you understood this, very simple it was. So we will go for another example which is already given here. Is 3 upon 8 multiplied by 1 upon 3 multiplied by 2 upon 7. First we have to see, can we reduce it into the lowest fraction? Yes, it is possible here. We will do this. Here is 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Here we can go 3 1s are, here also 3 1s are. We had tried to reduce the fractions. It was possible here, so we had tried to reduce it. Now it is not possible, so we will write the direct multiplication of a numerator, then we will write the multiplication of denominator. Numerator we are having 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1. You can write as 1 1s are 1, 1 1s are 1. You can write directly as 1. Here we are having 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 7. So I will write 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 7. You know 1, here it is 7 4s are. 4 1s are is 4 or 7 1s are is 7, 7 4s are 28. So in this way we have to find out in the simple form when the fraction is given. 3 fractions are given, just we have to find in the simple form. One more example we will try to solve here. Here we have fraction here as a numerator denominator, but we are having some here mixed fraction. First mixed fraction should be converted into an improper fraction. How to convert? Here we are having some large number. How to convert? You know already we had seen many examples related to this. 11 3s is 33 plus 2 is 35. 35. What we are having in the denominator, same number we will write as a denominator. We are having 3. Just we had solved this first mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Here we will go for second. Here we are having multiplication, so I will use the operation as a multiplication. Here we are having 3 whole 1 upon 2. 3 2s are 6 plus 1. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 is 7 upon what we are having in the denominator, we will write as it is. Here we are having multiplication, again one more fraction we are having. Mix the fraction, again we have to convert into improper fraction. 7 7s are 49. 49 plus 2, 50, 51. Here we will go for 51 upon what we are having in the denominator as 7. Now this fraction and this given fractions are very similar to this. Now we have to first see that our first step is that if it is possible to reduce, we have to reduce it to the lowest form. Is it possible here? Use the divisibility rule. Already we had learned in the previous chapter. Here it is 7 ones are. Here we will go for 7 ones are. Here divisibility of which divisibility 5 plus 1 is 6. Is divisibility rule of 3. Yes, we can reduce is 3 ones are and 3 ones are 3. 2 is left, so it is now 21. 3 sevens are 21. Or you can know, if you are knowing the table, that 17 threes is 51. Now we have to try if it is possible to reduce. Here we are having even number, but we are having odd number. Even we are having odd number here, so it is not possible to reduce. I am writing here 1 because just we had cancelled this 7. Now we will try to multiply this. Next step, 35 multiplied by 1 is 35 only. 35 multiplied by 17. Here what we are having in the denominator is only 2. So we will multiply. Here it is 2 ones are and here also 2 ones are is 2. Now you have to do a practical multiplication here and you have to find out the answer. What will be the multiplication? 7 5s are 35, 3 carry. 7 3s are 21, 22, 23, 24. Here will be 0, 5 ones are 5 and 3 ones are that. Why I am writing with a small handwriting? Because it is the rough part. It is on the right side of your notebook. It should be on the right side of your notebook and it should be with very small handwriting and with a pencil. So here will be 5, this will be 9 and this will be 5. What answer we got is 595 upon 2. This is our answer. What is the answer? 595 when we are having some 3 mixed fraction when it was multiplied and we had reduced into its lowest form. That is what we had done, is only just we had simplified the given fraction. In this way we had tried to solve very different. You can take your own fraction, whole fraction, as well as you can have a simple fractions, improper, like whatever the fraction you want, you can take the fractions and you can try the similar example to simplify the fraction by multiplication. One more example we will see, which is a word problem. The cost of 1 kg of a sweet is rupees 50 1 and half. 50 whole 1 and half. What is the cost of 1 kg of a sweet? I think so your parents, your father go in a market and purchase a sweet box. So the cost of a sweet is 50 rupees and 50 paise, you can say, or 50 whole 1 upon 2. What will be the cost of 2 kg, 2 and half kg? So which type of operation we have to do? First read the question twice. If you find the operation, then only you have to start writing the step. Here the cost of 1 kg of sweet is rupees 50.50 paise, or we can say 50 rupees 1 and half, 50 whole 1 and half. What is the cost of 2 kg? If we know the cost of one thing, you can multiply and you can find the cost of many things. Here the operation will be a multiplication. So what we will write? The cost of the cost of 1 kg of 1 kg sweet is equal to how much? Is equal to 50 that is rupees, we have to write the rupees symbol. Now it is in the mixed fraction, so we have to write it into the improper fraction. I will write here only 50 2s are 100 plus 1 is 101 upon 2. Now what is the cost of 2.5 kg of sweet? Cost of 2.5 kg sweet is equal to what will be the cost of this? 201 upon 2 multiplied by 2.5 means what? It's again we have to make it into an improper fraction, so we will continue here only. We have to write 101 upon 2 multiplied by 5 upon 2. In this way, now it is very easy. If it is possible to reduce, you have to reduce. If it is not possible to reduce, so what we have to do? Just we have to multiply the numerator and then we have to multiply the denominator, because it is not possible to reduce. So we will multiply 101 multiplied by 5, and this is 2 2s are 4. Now you know I have taught you direct multiplication, how it will be easy to do without going for vertical multiplication. Here 5 ones are 5, 0 5s are 0 and 5 ones are 5. This is what? We are getting an improper fraction and I want to find out the cost. I can't say 505 upon 4 rupees. Do you find this type of a rupees in the market? No. I have to make this improper fraction into an rupees. So I have to divide it, that 505 divided by 4, which is a very easy division, which already you had learned in 3rd and 4th standard. Here we will go 4 ones are 4. Here this is my again rough part, so no need to go for proper, you have to go with a small handwriting. I'll get 0 here, 4 2s are 8, here again will be 2, I'll get 5 here down, and 4 6s are 24, here will be 1, I'll put the decimal, I'll put the 0 here, 4 2s are 8, here will be 2, I'll put the 0, 4 5s are 20. You might be thinking, why I have done here. To find out the rupees, I can say I am having 126 rupees 25 paise. Now what is 126 rupees 25 paise is nothing but the cost of 2.5 kg of sweet. So how much money I have to pay to the shopkeeper, or your father have to pay to the shopkeeper to purchase 2.5 kg of sweet is rupees, I can say here rupees 126 rupees 25 paise. This much rupees your father have to pay to the shopkeeper to get a sweet, that is 2.5 kg. What was the cost of 1 kg of sweet? Was 50 rupees 50 paise. So in this way, first try to understand the statement and then find out which type of operation we have to use for this statement. Then if it is a mixed fraction, then we have to go for improper fraction, and when it is a question that to find a rupees, that should be not in a fraction, it should be in a decimal or something. Now here one more example we are having, which is very similar to that. 1 liter of a petrol costs rupees 70 and half. That is 70 rupees 50 paisa. When it is rupees, you can say it is 70 rupees 50 paise. What is the cost of a 10 liters of petrol? Is very similar to that of a sweet. What you have, it was given in the previous question. Now we can say the cost of 1 liter of petrol. Cost of 1 liter of petrol is equal to rupees 71 upon 2 is equal to, why I am doing equal to, I am writing here only mixed fraction into an improper fraction, that is 72s are 140 and this will be 141 upon 2. What I had done? 70 2s are 140. If you don't know the table, you can go 7 2s are 14, 0 as it is, that is 140 plus 1 as the numerator, so it is 141 upon 2. Now what will be the cost of 10 liter of a petrol? So what will be the cost of rupees? Will be how much we are having is 141 upon 2. 10 liter means again we have to multiply it by 10. Now if it is possible to reduce, we have to reduce this and we have to find out what will be here. 2 1s are 2 5s are. You know nothing is there means there is 1 in our denominator. So here we have only 1 in the denominator, so we can do multiplication directly. 141 multiplied by 5 is equal to 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20 to carry, 5 1s are 5, 6 and 7. What it is? It is the rupees. How much rupees I will require to purchase or fill the tank of my car, that is a 10 liter of petrol, that is I have to pay to the petrol pump is rupees 705 rupees to get a 10 liter of petrol, when the cost of 1 liter of petrol is 70 rupees 50 paise. Here it is very easy and very low cost here petrol. In practical life we are not finding this cost of a petrol, so the amount will increase. When you know the 1 liter of a petrol, you can find out the n number of liters of a petrol, that if you want 25 liters, you want 35 liters also, you can find the petrol. One example which is again a word problem. An aeroplane flies 800 km in 1 hour. The distance covered in a 1 hour is 800 km by aeroplane, we can say a flight, whatever it completes the journey from Delhi to Hyderabad in 1 whole 3/4 hours. What is the distance from Delhi to Hyderabad? We have to find out the distance, means it should be in a meter, kilometer. So the distance what we will find out will be in a kilometer, because already it is given in the 1 hour 800 km is covered. It completes the journey from Delhi to Hyderabad is 1 whole 1/3. So what we have to do? First we will write the statement for this. Distance covered by 1 hour. Distance covered in 1 hour is how many? 800 km. Now we have to find out the, here it is given the complete the journey from Delhi to the distance covered by, from distance covered from Delhi to Hyderabad, I will write in short form, is given to us is as 1 whole 3/4 hours. This is the distance covered. We have to find out what is the distance between Delhi to Hyderabad in a kilometer. Now what operation you have to do? Because I had read 2 times the question, so you know very well, when one thing is given to us, we can find many things when by using an operation as a multiplication. So we will do here multiplication, that is 800 km multiplied by 1 whole 3/4. So you know what we have to do. First we will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 4 1s are 4 plus 3 is 7/4. Now second step is, if it is possible to reduce, we have to reduce it to lowest form. Here it is possible, here is nothing is there, you know very well, it is nothing but it is a 1 in the denominator. Here we can cancel, here 4 1s are 4 2s are 8, 0s are 0, so it will be 200. Now we don't have anything in the denominator, so we can go directly. Multiplication of a numerator is 200 into 7 is equal to 7 2s is 14, what will be the distance? Means it will be in a kilometer. So what is the distance between Delhi to Hyderabad is 1400 kilometer, which will require a 1 hour 3/4. That is 1 hour 45 minutes when it is given as a 3/4. So in this way, step by step, we have to see the statement given as a word problem, find the solution, and then use the operation, which type of operations we have to use, and then we have to find out what they are asking in the question. Here was a distance, which is always denoted by a meter or kilometer. It is a long distance, it is of a city, so always we say the distance between Solapur to Pune is 200 kilometers. Similar way here we had find out the distance between Delhi to Hyderabad is 1400 kilometer. Next one is the cost of 1/4 kg sweet is rupees 127. Now I am having something more than 1/4 kg of sweet is rupees 127.5. What is the cost of 1 kg sweet? Here is totally vice versa what we had done in the previous question. Here we are having if I will give a simple example, I know I had brought a sweet of 2 kg sweet which is costing 100 rupees. 2 kg sweet cost 100 rupees. What will be the cost of 1 kg? What you do? You do the division. You will find that it is 50 rupees. What you have done? 200 divided by 2. So you got the 1 kg of cost of 1 kg of sweet. Here is very similar. I had given a round number. We are having here in the fraction form because we are having a more quantity, but we have to find is only of 1 kg. So we have to go for division. The cost of 1/4 kg sweet is equal to rupees 127 1/2. What is the cost of 1 kg sweets is equal to, what will be this? We have to divide. So 127 divided by 1/4. Now you know very well, you know the division, what type of a division we are doing. First we are having a division of fraction. Here we are having a mixed fraction which is divided by another mixed fraction. So we have to make first the fraction into an improper form, then we will change the division sign by multiplying and reciprocal. So what we have to do? First we will make it into improper form. Here I will show you, because here we are having a large number. So 127 2s are, or you can add 2 times 110, 27. Here is 7 2s are 14, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4 and 5 and 2 1s are 254 is this multiplication, and add 1 means it is 255/2 divided by, this is very simple number, you can do 4 1s are 4 plus 1 is 5/4. Now you know what to do. Just we have to change the division sign into multiplication, and we have to go for an reciprocal. What will be the reciprocal of this? Is 4/5. Now try to reduce the fraction if it is possible. Yes, it is possible. Here is 2 1s are, here is 2 2s are. Use the divisibility rule. You know what is the divisibility of 5? When in the ones place or the unit place there is 0 or 5, that number is divisible completely by 5. So we will go here 5 1s are. Why I am showing? Because now you can do directly, because we had done many questions related to this. 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are. So we got, after reduction we got as a 50 51. We don't have anything in the denominator, so I will write here 51 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2 ones are 2 and 5 twos are 10. So what will be here? 102. So what will be the cost of 1 kg of sweet? Is 102 rupees. So I have to write as a rupees symbol. So when you want to purchase a 1 kg of sweet, you have to give 102 rupees, but already you had purchased one whole 1/4 kg of a sweet and you had paid 127 rupees 50 paise. In this way, by division we can find out the cost of 1 kg of sweet when you are having given in the quantity. So you have to divide the given amount and you have to find out the amount for the 1 kg of sweet. Next word problem we will see. 8 tins 42 hold 2/3 liters of oil. 8 tins hold 42 2/3 liters of oil. How many liters can one such tin hold? Is very similar to this. The capacity of 8 tins, capacity of 8 tins is equal to 42 whole 2/3 liters. What is, how many liters can one such tin? Capacity of one tin is equal to, one tin is equal to, we have to divide, so 42 whole 2/3 divided by 8. So we can find out how much one tin will hold the oil. Now we have got multiplication of 42 multiplied by 3 is 1, 3 2s are 6 and 4 3s are 12, that is 126 plus 2 which is in the numerator, that will be now 128/3 divided by 8. Now you know what it is, a division, so we have to go for the reciprocal and we have to go for the multiplication sign. Here is 128/3 multiplied by 1/8. Now use the divisibility rule to reduce this. We are having here even number both the sides, so it is possible to reduce by 2, which will give a remainder as 0 when you will go by 2. So you will be 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12 and 2 4s are 8. Now we had reduced it by 2, so it will be 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12 and 2 4s are. Again we are having here as a 4, so we can again reduce it to simple form. We can go for 4 1s are 4. I will write here 4 1s are 4. 6 minus 4 is 2 left. 24. 4 how much are 24? 4 6 are 24. So here will be 16. It will be 16 multiplied by 1. So it is 16 multiplied by 1. Here we are having 3 multiplied by 1. So will be 3 multiplied. You know 16 ones are 16/3. Now it is an improper fraction. So we have to find it into a mixed fraction. So it is 16 divided by 3. 5s are 15 and here will be 1. So how we will write this? Is 1/3 and this will be, what will be this? Is a capacity of 1 tin which will hold 5 liter 1/3 is the capacity of 1 tin. Already they had told us the capacity of this 8 tins is given to us. We had find out the capacity of 1 tin. In this way we have to find out first steps, operations. First we have to find out by reading the steps statement. Then we have to simplify it to lowest term and find out the question what they had asked. Then in this way we have to go step by step and we have to find out the value what the question they had asked. We had seen today various type of a word problem So hope so you have understood. We had seen today a multiplication as well as division word problem. How to find out the operation by reading the statement twice or thrice and then substitute the whatever the solution is required, then try to simplify it and find the answer. Hope so you have understood, and try to solve some example which is given in the textbook, so you will understand, you will have a practice of this. Thank you very much.